In terms of security, let me say clearly now, we have declared war. Abuja is returning to beggar city. If you know you have a sister, you have a brother who is a beggar on the road, please, from next week, we will carry them. We will take them out. I mean, it is embarrassing that people who come in, the first thing they see are just beggars on the road. Sometimes too, they may not be beggars. They may be criminals pretending to be beggars. We will not allow that. So I'm giving you a public holiday from now till Sunday. From Monday, we will pack them out. Let us know that we have a city that we can call a city. It's very embarrassing. We are fighting insecurity, and people will carry plates as if they are. Maybe they may be informants. So please, have it at the back of your mind that it's not only infrastructure. We owe you to give you good security so you can sleep well with your two eyes closed. I know that some of you may not be happy. Sometimes we don't need to make you happy. Sometimes we don't need to. What is important is that we must do our work. If you're not happy, well, there's nothing we can do. But for the overall interest of the people, it's key, and for our security. And that's why I've told the National Assembly members that for us, we will do everything that is required to continue to make sure that people will know that assembly, when I mean assembly, National Assembly, they are doing all they can do to support. Their own is to pass the budget on time. Ours is to implement. And I know by 2025, they will also give us that support, because I know they will not waste time to approve our budget. Betera is there, Junkuta is there, and their colleagues, of course, the Speaker himself is there. So I thank you, Mr. Speaker, and I will urge that you come out and help us and do justice to this by flagging off this project that Mr. President will commission in May next year. Thank you, and God bless you.
Updates.